So I got this old 64 Nova, thinking about building a rat rod out of it. This is bad shape. It's rat rod material. It's rat rod ready. Needs a lot of help. It's got a lot of rust. Yeah. Got a lot of rust in it. But I was thinking about building a rat rod out of it. See, we got no trunk's gone. Floor. All the floors are gone, even the steering wheel rusted off. Yeah. Roof rusted. Trunk lid rusted. Like the bumper might, bumper might be good. Well, it's twisted, but I might get untwisted, it might be good. Quarter panels gone. Half-inch of Bondo. Quarter-inch. I don't know, maybe a half. You got the other half, we got the Bondo in the front fender. Yeah. Yeah, I was thinking about building a rat rod out of this. And then my buddy Wesley said, I'm gonna find you a car to put that 496 stroker motor in. Then he called me the other day and sent me some pictures. So a couple of days ago, me and him jumped in his truck and grabbed his wife Jennifer. She rode along with us. We went an hour or so north and picked this bad boy up. Another 64 Nova. Man, this sucker here, it got a little rust hole in that fender right there. Little bitty rust hole. Door, great. Kick panel, quarter. It's all good. Door, good. Good. Lash is good. Got a frame done. Oh, that's a good door. Good door. Yeah, package tray is good. Got a few little rust holes back here, not bad. Got a frame, got a 9-inch. Partially just welded in, just stuck it so you can move it around. Yeah. 2x3 tubing frame. This side looks as good as the other side or better. I got all the door glass, got the door glasses, back glass, back windshield, back quarter glasses. Everything but the windshield. I gotta get a windshield for it. But oh yeah, I got a Mustang 2 front suspension under the Heist. I think those things are expensive. I think he said he paid $2,700 for this one. Yeah, that's the main reason I bought it, actually, because I was telling Wesley, I said that front suspension on it, the old rusted out Nova, I had to have a straight axle or something. Besides, I couldn't use that front suspension on it. It wasn't no good when it was brand new, much less now. So that's solved that problem right there. Yep, a Mustang 2 front suspension. That's kind of what sold me on the car. I said, man, that'd be a good start on my rat rod. Then I got to look at the car. I said, man, this thing is good shape. Man, I don't know if I want to rat rod this one or not. I might just want to build this one, especially since I got all the glass, everything but the windshield. Yeah, if I chop the top, none of that'll work. I had to, yeah, chop the top glass won't work, so I don't know if I want to do that. But anyway, what should I do? Man, I got options. I mean, I could do all kinds of things with this. I could take the 10-inch out of the other car, rear end, and put under this, and put like a 327 in it, put it back together, make it go down the road, be really easy to do, something like that. I could put my 496 stroker motor in it, put a 871 blower on it with that 400 TH400 4500 stall converter or 4000 stall converter, something like that. It stalls a lot. I just happen to have a 9-inch Pro Stock rear end. Yep, I got the tubes and the joints and everything to make the parallel 4-link. Yeah, it's got wheelwood brakes on the back. Of course, it's been set up a long time. I don't think it's ever been used. I think they built it new and never used it actually. So yeah, got that. Need a center section. I got a couple center sections. I had to build one for it, but it's got 40 spline axles in it. Imagine that. Yeah, big as your wrist. Big old axle. So my other Nova's got grill, bumpers, headlight bezels, and stuff like that. So yeah, that's good. Hood. I got a hood. The trunk lid is in the car here. Got a good trunk lid. Hardly, very little rust in the trunk lid. So I got that. And like I said, the other car got a rear bumper, tail light. I think it's got tail lights in it, but I need lenses, maybe something like that. But those tail lights, that's $100. You look, if you had to buy that whole thing, 80, 100 bucks for each for those. Yep, new. I ain't found no good used ones yet for a deal. Yeah, needs work, under construction. What should I do? Y'all leave me some comments, let me know. Skinnies on the front, big patties on the back, 496 stroker with a blower sticking up through the hood. Yeah, roll cage, TH400 high stall. Yeah, some zoomy headers maybe. I got some fender well headers, maybe zoomy headers, I don't know. Got options. What y'all think? Man, it's gonna cost a lot of money to build this car. I need some help. Hey guys, I tell you what, if you guys want to help me out, all you got to do is watch my videos. Yeah, that will really help out a lot. YouTube revenue help buy parts for this car, and but just so you know, it don't count. The views don't count. The watch time is what counts. So if you click on my video and you click back off, that'll give me another view, but it won't be any watch time, which don't help me out. So not much anyway. So yeah, just click on it. Just click on the video and go work on your car or something. Let the video play while you work on your car. Just let it run out. Yeah, watch time. I need watch time. Appreciate it. I just put up a video of the 34 build, the full series, clips for the full series. It's pretty interesting video. So yeah, hey, it's a new video. You guys go check it out. Like I said, just click on it and go do something while it's playing. Yeah, be great.
Trans, just rust for days. Fenders all rotted and the floor fell through. Every window smashed like the kids here do. Folks walk by saying leave it where it sits, but I see a fire burning deep in all those pits. Yeah, it's junk on demand, but that's my favorite kind. Give me broken steel and a dream to grind. In my little shop where the chaos rules, rust turns to thunder when I break out my tools. I'm gonna rat it out, make a fire-breathing beast. Fatties on the back, nose down on the street. Blowing through the hood like it's hungry for a fight. Headers out the fender screaming through the night. Chopped up good with that rat rod bob style. Patches and stitches driving folks wild. It's a thrill ride coming raw and untamed. Yeah, this beat-up Chevy's gonna earn its name. a story that'll never get old. No chrome princess, no showroom shine, just blue-collar thunder with a rebel spine. From forgotten bones to a street-shaking king, when that blower motor sings, man, freedom rings. Every busted seam, every rusted plate turns into glory, and I can't wait. I'm gonna rat it out right, make a fire-breathing beast. Fatties on the back, nose down on the street, blowing through the hood like it's hungry for a fight. Headers out the fender, screaming through the night. Chopped up good with that rat rod bob style. Patches and stitches driving folks wild. It's a thrill ride coming, so don't be late. Gonna be fire right out the gate. Some see junk, but I see desire. Some see rust, but I see fight. In my little shop where dreams come true, gonna build it wild like I always